I've been finding Euro USD quite easy to trade these days. Look at this. One touch, two touch trend line. There we go. So this is a strong area. Confluence number one, done. Okay, lower time frame, 5 minutes. Here we go. Resistance area, confluence 2, done. Now we're going to look for a buy over there. Okay, so once it breaks that powerful two-touch trend line and that resistance area, we've got two powerful confluences, and I've also added in my EMAs as well. And once the EMAs cross over, that's an additional confluence that it's going to be bullish. And the best part about this move is we're going to get about a 1 to 20 risk to reward in this one, because whatever happens on the left must happen on the right. So we're going to wait for it to take out that swing on the left hand side. There we go. So that's a 1 to 20 risk to reward. Man, I'm a maestro on these charts. Here we go. Okay, we're in. Awesome. So now I can start to adjust my stop loss just a little bit. Okay, wait. Let's wait for the right time. Okay, there we go. Simple. Okay, maybe we should give it some room, and maybe my TP is a bit too high, you know. Maybe we should go with a smaller one here. Okay, this is normal. This is normal. This is what my mentor taught me. This happens in the markets. It's normal. Not every setup is going to work. So this is just part of the experience of trading. This is part.